Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is a French automotive brand that quickly gained a reputation for innovation and quality, becoming a major player in the global automotive market. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Renault, Renault, Renault. Renault is also known for its innovative designs and commitment to sustainability, consistently pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. Renault has a long history of producing reliable and stylish vehicles, and it's also known for its achievements in motorsports, including Formula One. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Renault, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.